Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. So as you can currently see on screen at the minute, we're on 252 subscribers. So thank you to everybody that has joined. Also guys, check out the fresh trim. I also actually got a buzz cut yesterday, so yeah, I'm glad to get rid of them up. Also guys, if you aren't in the Discord, feel free to do so with the link in the description. We have 46 members in there, so thank you to everybody that has joined there and get involved with the conversation. Now with that being said, let's actually get into the video. Today we're actually going to be doing a portfolio update. Now not a lot has physically changed in the portfolio. It's been a bit of a better week, however it was still ropey at points as well. Wednesday and Monday were particularly quite good for myself, however the rest of it has been pretty poor and just writ off the rest of the returns. So as we can physically see on screen at the minute, the last week's performance hasn't been terrible, however we actually are in more negative than what we were the last week previous. So as we can physically see on Monday, we were down around about negative £220. We did see a bit of a recovery coming out nearly up to the 190s. However, it did just slip and slide in the invest account from here on out. But yeah, that's kind of how it's been performing recently. Not been amazing, like I say. I've spoke about this loads in the previous portfolio updates. It's going to take some time to recover with this one, and I plan on just holding everything I've got in it. So yeah, it'll probably be negative for some time until two big stocks inside there physically recover. So what I'll do is, instead of physically breaking down each individual stock in here, feel free to check out my channel and have a look at all the videos I do on Argo Blockchain and Neo. I feel like doing some videos on the other ones as well. However, at the moment, I'm not going to break down these stocks in too much detail because I am considering doing some videos for some of these. So yeah, as you guys can currently see, Argo Blockchain slipped a wee bit this week. You can see that I was up a decent amount last week, however this week they've had a wee bit of a poor performance. However, I'm not concerned. Bitcoin's price dropped a little bit last week as well. However, going on this weekend, they're up to 60k a coin at the minute in regards to Bitcoin, and Argo and Bitcoin, they two are very, very closely related. Whereas if we scroll down a little bit again, we can see EHang, they recovered a wee bit yesterday rather, and this last week hasn't been too good for them either. So yeah, like I say, he's going to continue to hold on to that until they recover. HCMC, again, we're just going to keep on holding on to that. I'm absolutely bag holding EHang and HCMC. No shame and no gain. So yeah, we're going to carry on holding on to them too. Marathon Digital Holdings had a really good week last week. They actually went up significantly. They actually released their earnings reports, which turned out to be a very, very good return for themselves. And Neo, again, they dropped a little bit last week. However, we're just going to keep on holding on to them. So that is essentially what's happened in the invest account this week. Now the ISA account is coming together quite nice, to be honest guys. It has been performing relatively good this week. As you can currently see, last week we were down around about, a pound. Actually we were up a pound profit last week's video. But you can see that, the start of this week we went up quite significantly, up to £75. However, we did slip and slide. You can see it's extremely volatile at the minute. We went from £75 on Tuesday all the way down to negative £9 on Wednesday. So yeah, it's like I say, it's just extremely volatile. Going to carry on holding everything in here. Long-term investing strategies at the minute, guys. That's what I'm planning on doing. And you can see at the minute we're up £20, so we have increased significantly from £1 last week. Now we're going to take a quick look at the pies. As you can see, the Bitcoin pie is slightly down. However, a lot of that has been down to Argo slipping down a little bit, and Riot also slipping down a little bit too. Marathon Digital Holdings been the absolute key one in this pie at the minute. However, all three of them I have no doubt will continue to perform next week as long as Bitcoin continues to carry up in price. They're very, very closely related to Bitcoin, guys. That is the whole fundamental behind their business. So as long as Bitcoin increases, they will increase as well. Quite significantly too. The growth stock one has been doing really well as well. As you can see, it's up £67. I got in at this at a really good price overall because I bought it when the market was down and tech stocks were getting hammered. So yeah, we're going to continue to add to that and the Bitcoin one. The dividend one and the growth 2 one, I'm actually going to sell them too, and I'm actually going to buy £50 worth of Neo shares. I'm going to buy £50 worth of Argo Blockchain shares, and I'm also going to be buying £50 worth of Premier African Minerals. I'm going to be doing a video on that this week, so stick around and watch that. Yeah, that's something I've been doing a bit of research in. It's a little bit of a gamble, however, I'm going to actually jump into that stock. So yeah, that's what I plan on doing at the minute with them ones. Now we'll do a quick scroll down all of the list. As you can see, the actual stuff inside of the pies like Adobe Systems and Advanced Micro Devices, all of them are relatively green. We do have one or two things that are letting down the side at the minute, such as Argo Blockchain down negative £50. Not concerned about that one bit though, guys. Just going to carry on holding that. I could say negative £500, I would not sell it. I'm confident in that stock. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research in regards to any of the stuff you're seeing at the minute. But yeah, we'll carry on going down here at the minute. Sell your goods down negative £55. I'm bag holding that one as well. Just going to carry on holding on to it. Why not? At best, I maybe lose £100, £150, whatever it may be. But yeah, the returns on that could be quite good if I hold on to it. So yeah, that's what's happening with that. Scroll down a little bit more. We go all the way down here. We can see Marathon Digital Holdings. Like I said, they had a good week last week. Released their earnings reports, therefore they went up a decent amount in regards to their share value. Palantir, not a bad week from them as well, went up 4%, they're up to $24 a share. Cathie Woods bought loads of this stock, so I'm going to carry on holding on to that. Riot Blockchain, 6 shares of that. Had a bad week last week, down 4%, but like I say, Bitcoin took a wee bit of a tumble last week, so yeah, we're not too concerned with that. Now, there's another one down here, which I'm going to buy more of as well, the S&P 500. As you can see, I've got 1.5 shares, averaging at £53 a share. Now guys, I am always going to add to the S&P 500 every single month from now on. It is proven to be quite a relatively safe investment, although it does go down and it does go up at times. It inevitably does tend to go up a lot more than it goes down over a long period of time, and that is what I plan on doing, building a long sustainable wealth over a long period of time. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do with the S&P 500. Anyway guys, that is actually going to be it for this video. I just wanted to do a quick portfolio breakdown. I don't want to take up too much of your time on a Saturday. Thank you to everybody that has watched the full length of the video. I really appreciate you sticking around and showing this channel some support. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe down below. I want to try and hit that 300 mark now, which would be incredible to see, because now we're getting to a stage where the channel is physically building itself, and all the hard work that I've put in to research all my videos is starting to pay off in itself as well. So anyway guys, I'll stop rambling, have a great weekend, and I will see you guys in the next one.